everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. So in this video I'm going to review an affordable makeup sponge which is easily available in India, and it is called the Puna store Miracle Complexion Sponge. So you can see it has got 4 sponges, 2 of them I have used, so I am going to show you. And this is a very affordable makeup sponge which is said to be a dupe for the beauty blender or any other expensive sponges which are available in India. So it's one of the best sponges which is on the affordable range. I'm going to review this in this video, but before coming to that, I just like to mention that I am very much close to 100 subscribers. First 100 subscribers, so please help me out to reach 100 subscribers, and I will be doing a giveaway as soon as I reach 100 subs. So please do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So if you want to know more about this sponge, that is the Puna store Miracle Complexion Sponge, then please continue watching. So guys, the Puna store Miracle Complexion Sponge comes in a box like this which has got 4 sponges. You can also get a kit of having 2 sponge or single sponge as well, but I got a kit having 4 sponges, and this retails for rupees 499 for this 4 sponge, which is really affordable. You can also grab it during the sale time at a much discounted price, as I did. I got it for around rupees 439 from Amazon. It's very much easily available on Amazon. I'll be linking down everything about this sponge and from where you can get in the description box, so please check that out. And this sponge is very much on the affordable side, so if you just compare it with other sponges or beauty blenders which are available in India, most of them are around rupees thousands or even more than that. So I think it's one of the most affordable sponges which you can get very easily in India. So when you just open the box, you get 2 sponges each of this orange and green in color. So this green sponge you get 2 of them, and this orange one you get 2 of them. And you can see this orange one exactly looks like the Real Techniques Miracles face sponge, and it's a dupe of that. And the green sponge looks something like this. So this one is the dry version and this one is the wet version. So guys, you can see the size difference. This one is the dry one and this one is the wet one. So it has increased this much after I just wet it under water. And this sponge looks something like this. So you can see it has got this long slanted side on one, and has got this short slanting side on the other side, and the bottom is round in shape, which actually helps you to blend your foundation. You can see this sponge, and this long slanted side you can use to bake your face with. You can use a loose powder with this side to just bake your face, and this side you can just use to blend your concealers. So now coming to the orange sponge, you can see this one is the dry one and this one is the wet one, and it has comparatively becomes bigger in size after I have made it wet. And you can see this is the orange sponge, and it has got this slanting side, this round slanted side on one side, and the other is completely round in shape, and the tip is really pointed, which you can just blend underneath your eyes. So guys, these are the 2 sponges. You can see this one is the dry one and this one is the wet one, and the dry ones feels a little bit less softer than the wet one, but when you just wet it down, it feels really squishy and soft. You can easily blend your foundation. It will not at all feel harsh on your skin. But coming to the orange sponge, I must say that this one is a lot more stiffer than the green one. Guys, the green sponge feels really soft and squishy. You can see this is so soft, and I really find it very easy to blend my foundation with this sponge. I have used this sponge to blend out the foundation of my right side, but the orange sponge really felt stiff. It's really difficult for me to work with it because it's not that much squishier like this one. You can see this one is a really hard one and this one is really soft. It's really soft. You can feel the luxury of the sponge because it really feels like luxury sponges, whereas this one doesn't feel so. it is a lot more stiffer. I really find it difficult to blend with this one, but this one really made my work very easy. So guys, when you just use this sponges to blend your foundation, you hardly get any sort of problem or blending issues. The sponge doesn't leave any sort of streaky marks on your face. It really becomes easy to blend with this foundation, and this one is a little bit stiff, so you find a little bit difficult, but the finish that both of these sponges give is really great. If you just compare it with other sponges for the price point, I might say that this is a great one. You can easily blend your foundation with it. I have blended my foundation with it. I will be inserting a demo, you can see that. So guys, both of the sponges have given me the same coverage even with the first and the second layer. The first layer looked a little bit sheer, but on the second layer of my foundation, this sponges has worked really well and blended so seamlessly on my skin that I didn't find any sort of streakiness on my face. So I am really happy with both of the sponges. I hope you have seen in the demo that this sponges really worked nice with the foundation as well as concealer. You can also use this green sponge, this side of the green sponge, to use your loose powder on your face to bake your face, I think, and the shape is really unique. I think Eco Tools has got some sponges with shapes like this, and I really like this shape. So this really makes it easier for you to blend all your concealer and foundation as well as loose powder on your face. So you can use both of the sponges to blend your foundation, to concealer, your loose powder or anything like that. This really worked well. So guys, now coming to the pros and cons of the Puna store miracle sponge. So you are getting 4 sponges only for rupees 499, which I think is a great deal. This kit is a great kit, guys. You are getting 4 sponges and you are only paying rupees 499, which I think that you hardly pay rupees 125 approx for each of the sponges. But during the sale time, you can also get it at a much discounted price as I did, so the price is really affordable. And number 2 is that the blendable power of this foundation is really great. I didn't find any sort of blending issues with the sponges, so the sponges really blend your foundation, concealer, loose powder, everything very well. So from that point, I will give it a thumbs up. And number 3 is the availability. You can easily get this all over India. You can easily get it from Amazon. I'll be linking down everything. And number 4 is that the quality of the sponges are really good. You can easily work with it, and these are a very good quality. It's not very cheap quality which will just tear up from the first usage. I have used it twice and it's quite in a very good shape, and for the price you are paying, I think you are getting a lot more than what you are paying. So these are all the pros of the sponge. And now coming to the cons is that this sponge, that is the orange sponge of this kit, feels a lot more stiffer. This one is a lot more hard on your skin, so you will find a little bit of blending problem with it, but it will blend up your foundation very well. Not that it will leave streaky marks on your face, that's not the problem, but it's a little bit hard, so you have to dab it a lot more to blend your foundation. So guys, I don't think I have found any other cons. So the pros are 4 and the con is 1, so you can just choose from whatever you want. But I am really happy with the purchase. Will I repurchase? Yes, definitely I will repurchase. Now I am just using my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge, but I think from the price point, let me just finish these 4 up and then we'll be buying another set, because it's really good. It's very affordable. Just get it anywhere, and the money that I am paying, I'm getting a lot more. Will I recommend it to you guys? Yes, definitely I am recommending it, because this is one of the most affordable makeup sponges available in India. Because if you want to have a good makeup sponge in India, you will be paying a lot more money. Even the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge costs you a lot more than this. So from the price point, I might say that you should have this sponge. It's a very good quality. It's really affordable, and you are paying only rupees 499 for 4 sponges. You can also even have the single ones as well if you want to try, or even if you just spoil this one within your 9 to 10 usages, then I would say that you should just keep them with you because it will serve you a lot. So I am really happy with the purchase. I am really happy with the Puna store Miracle Complexion Sponge. I will be repurchasing it after I finish all 4 of this, and I am also recommending it to you. So this is all about the Puna store Miracle Complexion Sponge, guys. I think I have covered up all these points that I need to say about the sponge, and I hope that this review has helped you a lot. And even if it did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.